Hey, I got a cool YouTube money making tip coming up next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to share with you a cool little tool that I got introduced to by a fellow marketer, fellow YouTuber, fellow entrepreneur, Rob. If you're watching this, what up? But anyway, we was talking, and he shared with me a cool little website that you can go to that will help you generate eye-catching YouTube titles. Now, if you know anything about YouTube marketing, you will know one of the first things people will tell you is like, yo, you need a good title, right? You need a good title. And this website that Rob gave me is absolutely free. And all you need to do is when you go to it, just put in like your keyword. All right, put in the keyword that you're trying to rank your video for, and it will give you a huge list of ideas. Now, some of the ideas you might be like, I don't like them. Some of them you might be like, oh my God, this is gold, right? And you could just save that list, copy the titles down, and you can actually build videos based off of the titles they give you. Or you can actually kind of, if you already got your video done, you can kind of just get some ideas, take some of, each of the titles, take a part of this title and maybe put it with a part of this title, and just to make a cool title for a video you already recorded. All right, so simple, quick video, but guys, this YouTube game is always changing. You got to always be trying to be ahead of the game, be doing what other people are doing, but still be creative. And one of the ways you can do that is with your titles. Keep in mind, you still want to use, the keywords that you're going after in those titles, and that's where this tool can really come in handy. All right, so if you want to check that out, it's absolutely free. A link to the site will be in the description of this video. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel, because you see I'm on here dropping that content, sharing helpful information, trying to get people to make that money, and hopefully you will. All right, till the next time, peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.